nonmetals. We know that in the periodic table, group 1 metals like sodium, potassium, magnesium and calcium. While we also know that elements like carbon, nitrogen, oxygen and group 7 elements like fluorine and chlorine are nonmetals. Now, how ionic bond and covalent bond exist when these atoms combine together chemically? Well, metals plus nonmetals combine together chemically and they form ionic bond. For example, sodium chloride or table salt. Here, sodium is a metal and chlorine is a nonmetal. So there is ionic bond between them. Secondly, when nonmetals plus nonmetals combine together chemically, they form a covalent bond. For example, carbon dioxide. Here, carbon is a nonmetal and oxygen is also a nonmetal. Hence, there is covalent between metals and nonmetals, while covalent bond forms between nonmetals. Now, what is a defined ionic bond? Due to complete transfer of electrons from one atom to other atom is ionic bond. Notice loose electron or electrons. For example, consider the formation of sodium chloride. Here in metal, the total number of electrons is 11. Electrons in the chlorine atom is 17. Remember that in the Lewis structure, we represent by the dot and the other atom by the cross. In sodium atom, there is only one electron in the outermost shell. We call it valence electron. And the chlorine atom, there are 7 on. It will get stability because its octet rule will be fulfilled. Secondly, if chlorine gains 1 electron, it will also get stability because its octet rule will be fulfilled. Thus, sodium loses this 1 electron or valence electron and chlorine gains this 1 and chlorine becomes negative ion. Static force produces between them and nonmetals gain electrons. Now, what is covalent bond? Covalent bond. For example, oxygen atom. We know that the total number of electrons in single oxygen atom is 8. And the valence shell of oxygen atom, there are fulfilled. Similarly, if this atom gains 2 electrons, it will also get stability. Now to stabilize themselves, these 2 oxygen atoms come together and mutually share 2 electrons. It means that 1 pair of dotted electrons come from this oxygen atom and 1 pair of oxygen atoms to form electrons neither belong to this